Good morning, everyone. Breakfast is ready. Please sit down. Yay! Breakfast! I'm so hungry.
Me too. What do we have today, Mom?
Let's see. We have bread, butter, jam, eggs, bananas, and milk.
Ooh, yummy! I love bread with jam.
I don't like jam. I want eggs.
Eggs are good. They make you strong. Who wants one?
Me, please. 1 egg for me.
Here you go, princess.
Thank you, Dad.
I want 2 eggs, please.
2 eggs? That's a lot. Can you finish them?
Yes, Mom. I am strong. I can eat 2 eggs.
Maybe Tom will turn to a chicken.
No, I'll turn into Superman.
Who wants bananas?
Me! Bananas are my favorite fruit.
I don't like bananas today.
That's okay, Lena. Do you want some bread instead?
Yes, please. Bread with butter and jam.
Here you go.
Thank you, Mom.
Yummy eggs.
Tom, don't talk with food in your mouth.
Sorry, Mom.
Good boy. Always chew first, then talk.
Tom is funny.
Who wants milk?
Me! A big glass, please.
And me, but just a little, please.
A big glass for Lena, a small glass for Tom.
Thank you, Daddy.
Thank you, Dad.
Good manners. I like to hear please and thank you.
Yes, polite words make breakfast happy.
This is the best breakfast in the world.
No, the best breakfast is pizza.
Pizza for breakfast? Maybe on Sunday.
Yes, Sunday is our fun breakfast day.
Yay! Pancakes, please.
And pizza for me.
Now finish your food. You need energy.
Energy for school?
Energy for learning.
Energy for playing football.
Energy for everything.
Okay, kids, time to check your school bags.
I have my books, my pencil case, and... oh no.
What happened, Tom?
I forgot my homework.
Forgot again? Where is it?
Maybe under my bed?
Tom, homework does not sleep under beds. Maybe the homework ran away because it was scared.
Homework doesn't run. It's just hiding.
Tom, you must remember, homework is your friend.
My friend? Really?
Yes, homework helps you learn. Be kind to your friend.
Lena, let me see your bag.
Here's my homework, my crayons, and my storybook.
Wow, Little Miss Perfect.
At least I didn't lose mine.
Here, Tom, I found your homework on the table.
Oh, thank you, Dad. Homework is safe.
Next time, check before bed, okay?
Okay, Mom, I'll try.
Or I will be the homework police.
Oh, no, not the homework police.
Then we are ready for school.
Okay, kids, time to put on your shoes.
Where are my shoes?
Maybe they went on a walk without you.
Shoes don't walk by themselves, Tom.
Maybe a shoe monster took them.
Dad, no shoe monster.
Lena, look under the chair.
Oh, here they are, my pink shoes.
I found mine already.
Let's see who puts on shoes first.
Okay, ready, set, go.
Faster, faster. Who will win?
Careful, don't fall.
My shoelace is tricky. Oh no.
Done. I win?
No, I lost.
It's okay, Tom. Next time you can win.
Good job, both of you. Shoes are on, safe, and ready.
Time for goodbye.
Bye, Mom.
Bye, Dad. See you later.
Study well, kids. Have fun, and don't forget to smile.